Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go over some deals at Dollar General for the week of July 28th through August 3rd. And at the end, I'm going to go over a few really good deals for the 3-day sale, which is Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Before I get started, I wanted to let you guys know I tried out the new Walmart pickup grocery. My store just got it. And when I did it, they gave me a code to share. And if you've never tried the Walmart pickup, then I will put a code down below in the description box and it will give you $10 off your order if you're a first-time user. All right, let's get started. I just want to remind you to clip that 5 off of 25 for Saturday, August 3rd. This week, the Purex Laundry Pods 15 count or the Crystals 15.5 ounce are on sale for $2.95. We have a digital coupon for save $2 on the Purex or Purex Crystals, making them just 95 cents. The Arm & Hammer Fresh Scent Laundry Detergent 32 packs is $3.95 this week. We have a digital for $2 off, any one Arm & Hammer 17 to 32 count. Making your final cost just $1.95. The Gain Flings 12 to 14 count, laundry liquid detergent 40 ounce, the powder 34 ounce, the ultra liquid fabric softener 48 load, or the fabric softener sheets 105 count, and the Fireworks 5.7 ounce are all on sale for $3.95 this week. We have a digital coupon for save $2 off, and it includes all the products I just read off to you, leaving your final cost just $1.95 for whichever one you choose. For this deal, you want either the Tide Simply Liquid Laundry Detergent or the Tide Pods 13 count. Each are $2.95. And we have a digital for save $1 on the Tide Simply, making your final cost $1.95. The Sparkle 6 Family Rolls are 2 for $8 this week. We have a digital coupon for save $1.25 off any one package of Sparkle paper towels, 6 rolls or larger, making your final cost for 2 packages $6.75. Now, I've seen people post this deal today, and they also use this digital coupon, but this is for a 6 giant or 8 big roll, and the ones that are 2 for $8 are the family roll. So you can try and scan it at the store, but I'm pretty sure this one won't work with the Sparkle deal. For this next deal, you want to pick up a Mr. Clean Clean Freak starter kit for $5 and the refill for $3. We have a digital coupon for save $3 on 2 Mr. Clean Clean Freak products, and your final cost for both would be just $5. We also got a buy one Mr. Clean Freak spray and get one Mr. Clean Freak refill free from the Procter & Gamble. Now, if you've already got the starter kit and you just need the refills, then you'd want to pick up 2 of the refills for $3 each. And then use that save $3 coupon in your digital app, leaving your final cost at just $3. For this next deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Febreze 1 car air freshener vent clips, the bamboo 2 count. We have a digital coupon for save $5 on 2 Febreze 1 car bamboo 2 count. So your final cost for 2 would be $5. For the next deal, you want to pick up any 2 Febreze 1 products, and these are just a couple examples, and they're all $5 each. I believe the wax melts are also $5. We have a save $5 on 2 Febreze 1 products, but make sure you read the exclusion. It cannot be used on the Febreze 1 car vent clips. So your final cost for 2 would be $5. And if you want to get any more Febreze in the Procter & Gamble, we have a buy one, get one free on the Febreze One products. Okay, so I put together a little Febreze deal. You want to pick up 2 of the Febreze One car air freshener vent clips, the bamboo 2 count, and 2 of the Febreze One fabric and air fresheners for $5. You want to use the digital save $5 on 2 Febreze One car bamboo 2 count. These save $5 on 2 Febreze One products. And the Dollar General store coupon for save 2 when you spend $12 on any Febreze air fresheners. Make sure you scan these products with your app to make sure this coupon is going to attach. I have not tried it yet, so I can't say if it actually works. So make sure you're scanning it first. If all the coupons come off correctly, your total should be $8. For this next deal, you want to pick either the Beneful Simple Goodness 8-count carton for $5.95 or the Beneful Grain-Free 3-pound bag for $5.95. We have a save $3 on the Purina Beneful, and there are a couple other kinds that it matches up to. Those were just 2 examples. So your final cost after your coupon would be $2.95. Also in the 728 Smart Source, we have a coupon for the same thing, and it's only $2, but some people like to get more than one bag, so if you don't have more than one digital account, maybe you have a paper coupon. This week, the Keebler Sandies, the pecan cookie, 11.3 ounce, are 3 for $6. You want to clip the save 75 cents on 1 Keebler Sandies cookies and the save $1 on 2. Your final cost for all 3 packages would be $4.25. Now, most of my accounts have 2 of the save 75 cents and the save $1 on 2. Make sure you do not clip 2 of the save 75 cents because it won't take that dollar one because the 2 lowest ones will come off first and you're only buying 3 packages. So only clip 1 of the save 75 cents if you have all 3 coupons. For this deal, you want to pick up 2 of either the U by Kotex Super Plus 18 count or the Pads 22 count for $3.25 a piece. We have a digital coupon for save $4 on any 2 packages of U by Kotex products, and it's not valid on liners 14 to 22 count. So your final cost for 2 would be $2.50. In the 728 Smart Source, we have a save $4 on 2 packages of U by Kotex tampons. And we also have a save $4 on any 2 packages of U by Kotex pads. The Always Discreet liners 26 count are $3. We have a save $2 on any 1 Always Discreet product. And if you want to do the deal more than once, we have the same coupon in the Procter & Gamble. Leaving your final cost just $1. This is an item I'll often throw in my 5 off at 25 if I need kind of like a filler. The Skinny Pop White Cheddar 1 ounce is $1. In the 728 Smart Source, we have save $1 on 1 bag of Skinny Pop, and that will make your final cost nothing. It'll be totally free. Both the Schick Classic Women's Coconut Delight 3 count and the Schick Classic Sensitive Disposable Men's 3 count are on sale this week for $4, so you want to pick one of those. And we have a digital coupon for save $4 off any 1 Schick disposable. And for whichever one you decide to pick, your final cost would be free. The Energizer Max AA Alkaline Battery 2 count is $2.50. In the 728 Smart Source, we have save $1.25 off any 1 pack of Energizer batteries. And on Ibotta, we have $1 back for Energizer batteries, any max variety, any size. So after your coupon and rebate, your final cost would be 25 cents. If you don't have Ibotta yet, I will leave my link down in the description box below. We seem to have a ton of razor deals this week, so you want to pick up the Gillette Daisy 2 Women's Razor 5-pack for $4.50. And you have a digital coupon for save $3 on one Venus or Daisy disposable 2-count or larger. And that will leave your final cost at $1.50. And if you want to do this deal more than once, we have the same coupon in this month's P&G. For this deal, you want to pick up the Gillette Sensor 3 men's disposable razors for $5. We have a digital for save $3 on one Gillette disposable 2-count or larger. And that will leave your final cost at $2. And again, we have this coupon in the Procter & Gamble that just came out. Okay, I'm going to go over some really great deals for the 3-day sale. That is Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday this week. The Scott Comfort Plus Bath Tissue 6 big rolls or Cottonelle Clean Care 6 big rolls are going to be buy one, get one free. We are also having an instant savings of save $3 instantly when you spend $15, and that includes the Cottonelle and Scott. You're going to want to pick up 6 of the Cottonelle for $4 a piece. And then you want to pick up 2 of the Scott for $3 a piece. And some people may be like, well, that's way over $15. Remember, they're buy one, get one free. So, in order to hit that $15 total for the instant savings, you cannot count the ones that you are getting free. You're going to want 5 of the save $1 on 6 or more rolls of Cottonelle out of the 728 Smart Source. Now, some Dollar Generals won't let you use coupons on the free item, but last time we had a sale like this, the item didn't ring up as free, so the coupon went through, and they actually rang up at half price for each. So it's all going to depend on the store whether they're going to let you use all 5 coupons. Their policy does state that they will take up to 5 coupons per, like 5 light coupons, but they also don't take coupons on free items. Then out of the 728 Smart Source, you want 2 of the save 50 cents on 6 or more rolls of Scott bath tissue. So after your coupons, your total is going to be just $6. And really, guys, between the instant savings and the buy one, get one free, even if you don't have the paper coupons, it's still a pretty darn good deal. Another good deal during the 3-day sale you might want to check out, there's an instant savings on $2 when you spend $7 on the assorted cups and napkins and plates and stuff. So where it's summer and you might be cooking out a lot, you may want to check that out also. All right, everyone, I'd like to thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe if you're new. So there's tons of great deals this week, plus that 3-day sale. I tried to pick out what I thought were more of the better deals that would be most popular with everyone, but definitely check out your flyers and check out your coupons, and we'll probably get more throughout the week. All right, everyone, I hope you have a great week, and I'll talk to you all later.